Good morning, good afternoon, traders. I hope the sound is okay. If there is any problem, please just let me know. Welcome everyone in the TEFS YouTube trading room on a Tuesday trading day. And seems like the market is climbing back from the pre-market. It started a bit red, but as just yesterday, it was like a red day, especially for the typical triple Q. But now we see a nice pullback on the indices. Indeed, all of them are in green and the SPY is very close to the all-time highs. S&P 500 ETFs, the SPY is up 0.30% as I've seen last time, so quite of a nice comeback. And the triple Q is even stronger thanks to Nvidia, which was a very nice recovery yesterday, even despite of the fact that it started in red. Hi Tara, nice to see you. Hi ICT, nice to see you as well. Good morning everyone. And let's just start the pre-market session. Yesterday we started the day in green, 4 winners, 1 loser, so I was quite happy with that. Uh, Hopefully today is going to be a continuation of that green green start of the week. And seems like, even as I've told you, the market is starting in green too. Hi Nitsan, hi Anne, nice to see you all here today. And let's see what are the big movers. Well, most of my watch list, I must tell you, it's nice and green. And we have some big movers, however, not that many, but I think it's just enough to start the day with. Hi, good morning, Avativas, to you as well. And if you have any questions, please, traders, just let me know in the chat, or as you know, I'm more than happy to just read your emails. Here is my email as well. Hi, Cornelia, and thank you so much. Yeah, guys, actually, it depends on you. You are making it the best trading room of the world. Definitely. I think it's not just like the trading is a very much quality trading, in my opinion, because there are very good traders all around here. But even the atmosphere, the vibe, it's really good, and it's definitely thanks to you. You're very interactive and very nice calls as well on the stocks. So I guess that's all it's making the room the best, definitely. Thank you. Yes, Tara, exactly. Hi, Mr. Brackage. Nice to see you. Okay, guys, so let's just make another nice green day in the best trading room of the world. Okay, guys, so indeed, Triple Q is just pushing over the 620 level. Look at that. That's just insane. I must tell you, this seems like this is going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yesterday we started in a gap down, but as you could see, everything just pushed back higher. So actually, this is, if I'm just counting it right, this is going to be the 7th green day in a row. And also, the triple Q is over the 620 level, which, in my opinion, is a quite of a stronger resistance. Let's see whether it's going to stay there after the opening bell. But the next one, which I'm going to watch and even much closer, is the 627 level. As you can see, this was a quite of a stronger resistance slash support in the past, in not that very much or past, because indeed this was just a new all-time high some weeks ago, but this can just mean a stronger level for the triple Q. So 627. After the 620, I'm going to watch the 627. The SPY, as I've told you, it's much closer to the all-time highs, and so far seems like that the bulls are back on track, 0.34% already higher on the SPY, and there is no doubt that the next strong resistance going to be 685, in my opinion. Yes, Nitsan, Apple, Nvidia, I'm going to watch to the long side. downside, and this time maybe even the Bitcoin stocks, because if we just check Bitcoin, seems like it's just trying to make a double bottom on this 85,000 level. As I mentioned you, we were talking about that yesterday, that this Bitcoin just slipped back to this 85K level, which is a very strong support, but today it started again, at least an attempt for a recovery. So far it's doing great. As you can see, it's getting closer to this 88K. However, I must tell you, until I cannot see a 93K breakout, which is going to be the neckline of this double bottom, if it's going to be a double bottom. Of course, it's still nothing. I'm just anticipating based on the technical levels. However, if it's going to happen, then this can be a quite of a nicer pullback. As you can see on the Bitcoin, there is a quite of a bearish sign on the daily chart that means indeed that might more move to the downside is going to happen. However, I'm talking about the death cross when the 50 EMA is just crossing the 200 EMA from above, and actually it has happened. Usually, you know, all of the EMAs are too late to show what's going to happen. By the time when it's crossing, it's already like in a downtrend. So not this is the big secret here, but what I've seen before, I've seen that after the cross, it's still deepening, it's still deepening a little bit more, but then it's starting to recover a bit. And after that, when it's just touching, for example, the 50 EMA, that's quite of a level where it's going to decide whether it's going to be a rollover and it's going to continue lower, or this is just like a full recovery and pushing over 200 EMA. So I think if the Bitcoin again is able to break this 93K, which is going to be the neckline of this double bottom, then we can see a brighter pullback higher, but at the moment, at least it's trying to push higher and not lower. Now let's see the Apple, Nissan. Apple was a very nice comeback yesterday. Not a comeback, well, what comeback? Actually, the Apple is still completely detached from the market, as you can see. Yesterday is just made a new huge all-time high, and seems like that today it is ready to make a one more. I think it wants really to stretch to this $300 level. Apple is very strong. I agree with you. We should definitely watch it on our watch list, and not just the Apple, but even the Nvidia, as I mentioned you yesterday. I just read some articles, you know, that this is a attractive enough level on the Nvidia that the buyers just get in. I would have weighted it back to this 160 to be like really attractive. So again, until it's not able to break this 185 level, which is getting close because it's just $3 away, as you can see, until this point, let's see. For me, it's still in a consolidation and anything can happen. Breaking definitely 185 with the Nvidia, it can mean a reversal. However, to the lower side, if we are breaking this 170 again, that can be a red flag for the bulls. Now it's definitely very strong, as you can see, 1.35% higher. And not only Nvidia and Apple, but as I mentioned you, as the Bitcoin is pushing higher, coin is not bad either. I still have a little left, like 10 shares left in here. I don't know why. I think, yeah, I forgot to put my stop loss, you see. One mistake, it's nothing, it's like $40, so not a big thing, but I'm going to close it, of course. And MSTR, I'm going to watch it as well, MSTR, which I'm going to watch it for today because it got even an upgrade as far as I remember. And why I like MSTR, it's because the very much exhaustion volume candle is just got formed yesterday on the daily chart. Look at that, very extremely significantly high volume bar, a beautiful hammer. So I do not particularly like MSTR, as you know, but I feel like I need to try today to the long side. Oh yeah, definitely Nitsan. Yes, Luis. Hi, Jenks. It's a what is that? It's a therapeutic stock, and it got some news, I remember, and it splashed like 40%. Yeah, I see that. that for me it's way too much to the downside. It's opening for me, so it should be open for you as well. If it's not opening, please just restart your TEFS platform. Oh, traders, and yeah, please don't forget that this is the last day. I almost forgot. This is the last day for the Black Friday sale by the TEFS. So please hurry up. This is the only day to use the fantastic discounts and plus the 10% profit share. So if you just go to the website, you can just take a look at the last very much 24 hours of a sale. It's less than 24 hours now. So please hurry up because this is going to be over tomorrow. And as I've told you, it's not going to be any more actually this year for definitely not. But this is one of the best offers so far since I am with TEFS. Okay, so here it is. I just pinned the message and we can just get it. Okay, Luis, very happy to hear that. So you can hear it now. Good, good, good. All right, traders. So let's see what else we need to get here into consideration regarding trading. Unity, it's very strong on my list as well. This is the first in my watch list. So I'm going to watch Unity, though it's this $45 level. I think it's going to be quite of a mess, but I'm going to watch it. Coin as well, as I mentioned you, MSTR. Soundhound is up 2%. SMCI, AFRM. I've just seen that AFRM, it's in the news too, and might AFRM can be a reversal regarding the daily chart. So I'm definitely going to watch it as well. Oh yes, Baba, I see BA and Baba. I've seen both of them because Baba is moving down, but BA is moving up. BA is crazy. I really like it actually, even despite it's still on my ban list. I'm going to put it on my long list for sure. Hi, Alamu. Nice to see you. And just for you, and now I'm going to watch Tesla. Tesla I missed yesterday. It was a very nice long, and might we are going to continue it even higher. Just a second, traders. My children are at home. Thank God. It's just they are just happy, I guess, to be home from the school. Okay, guys. So here we are. Tesla is up 433, which is great. And I think might, if it is able to break pre-market highs, especially 434, I would say, which was the highest point yesterday and almost day before, and might we are going to see it back stretching back to this 440 area. We will see, with Tesla, we need to be careful not to become a stressla. Usually it gets for me when I'm trading it. So I'm going to be careful with that stock for sure. Hi, Amir. Good morning to you. Nice to see you. Hope you are ready for this fantastic sunny trading day. Okay, guys. So, as I've told you, I just showed you most of the stocks which I'm going to watch. Of course, we are going to make a list of days. However, let's just see how the overall stock exchanges all over the world and other assets just did the job for today. Europe nice in green, not strong green, but green. Nikkei back to zero, Hang Seng 0.24, not a huge day in the Asia Pacific markets. Futures beautifully in green. They started quite flat or even in a little bit red, especially the Dow Jones, but after that it just made a very nice comeback. And thanks to mainly crypto and Bitcoin, which is up 3% today and topping the 88K, definitely trying a pullback. If I'm just checking the rates, 10 years are up 0.02, and the DXY, which I have not checked for a while, this is still just dancing between like 99 and 100. Not a big deal and not a big move at all. However, as I remember, the yen was quite volatile today because in Japan, they are ready for a rate hike. So or rate cut, sorry. So let's see what's going to happen there. Made a little hassle on the forex indeed. There's news regarding Japanese decision, which is still not just a decision. It's only quite of a let's call it like a rumors. Okay, Europe did not get very good news regarding the inflation as Eurozone up notch to 2.2% in November. Flash data shows that's not the best news indeed. Nvidia, Google in the news, AI stock rally may be driven by fear of missing out, but strategists say hold tight. So this is still quite of a misery. Someone still telling that AI is in a bubble, but as you can see, rather the big players are looking for deep buying opportunity. Might this is happening on the Nvidia as well as I've told you. However, I'm still not sure. Nvidia backed $4 billion AI startup announces major London expansion. So as you can see, the money is still like pouring into the AI stocks for sure. Hi Zuki, nice to see you. BMNR, Mara and BA, definitely I'm going to watch them. Hi Omid, nice to see you. Good morning to you. Okay, guys. Yeah, definitely. I'm going to watch Daisuke BMNR for sure because this still, in my opinion, if as I mentioned you, if the cryptos, if the Bitcoin is finding a quite of a nice reversal here on the double bottom, especially on the Bitcoin, then BMNR, I'm still interested even on a swing over this 35. 30 40 level, so over the 20 EMA and the previous high when it's just attempt to make the reversal from this 200 EMA and looks very strong today. I really much like it. 31 around, which is not very far, is the 200 EMA. Let's see, it's going to be a quite of a stronger resistance, so let's just be careful on that one. And let's just check the Mara because I forgot to check Mara. I've checked like coin, MSTR, but Mara, I forgot to check it. As far as I remember, yeah, it's very extended and I love it to the upside, especially you're right about this 12, 10, $12 level. I'm going to watch Mara as well. And guys, so many candidates today, and I'm just going to start to go with the longs. So we called BA definitely strong, Mara, coin, MSTR, Nvidia, Apple, we are watching to the long side, and let's see the big movers as well because we have some regarding the news, at least among the both. The first one, 24% following strong third quarter results. MDB released earnings after market close yesterday, and as you can see, it's still like a crazy runner, 24% higher, 300K in the volume, which is not very high, but definitely I'm going to give a chance for MDB to stretch higher on or long list. Strategy is here, micro strategy, the MSTR is here, as I mentioned you, 2% treasury asset rose one after plunging one day. Okay, MSTR, I love it on the daily, nothing else indeed. Genux Therapeutics, as just you mentioned, Luis, this is down again as the early stage data from its phase 1 prostate cancer trial trailed expectations. So that's why GNAX, or what's that? GANX is to the downside. Well, as I mentioned, for me it's a little bit too much to the downside, but you know what? I'm going to give a chance definitely for this one. ZM as well, Zoom. Yeah, let's see how Zoom is doing. 0.20. Oh no. This is not good, actually. If you meant to trade ZM, I don't like Zoom for today. I see it had some crazy days in the recent days, but somehow I just do not like Zoom. But I've seen Snowflake, for example, it was quite strong in the pre-market, as you can see. It's up already almost 3%, so I'm going to rather watch Snowflake to the upside. Signet Jewelry is here as well, sank 5%. Disappointing earnings results. SIG looks like that might is going to push even lower. I like it to the short side, not the best news on the earnings. UNFI, United Natural Foods, it's there as well. It's up 5% following earnings beat. Let's see the pre-market volume on UNFI, which is just 52, and the I don't know, the daily doesn't look very good either. You know what? This is just the secondary list. I think we have much better candidates for the long side for today. Ranges, yes, I completely agree, Luis. Zoom, you know what? Zoom looks like that something is brewing on the stock. Actually, something is cooking here. I don't know what, but yeah, you're right. It's anyway, it's a wild stock as you can see, but these moves, it can be that something is cooking there. We will see it. We can keep an eye on it, but not my favorite. Not my favorite for the day trade. But you are right. We should keep an eye on that. All right, guys. Next one is Cloudflare, which is NET. As you know, it was a problem some weeks ago with the stock, and now actually 3% higher as the company got an overweight rating. NET, let me just check the pre-market volume though. How does it look like? Not my favorite. The daily, it's my favorite because it looks like really nice for a continuation higher, but we have only 25K pre-market volume and the price is 202. So that means it can be very spready. That's why I'm going to be very careful with this one. And I'm just going to call NET to the secondary. Small size. Yes, definitely small size. Actually, traders, I could not find why BA is pushing so much up. I'm going to check the news. Maybe on the market watch, I missed something because I cannot see it on the CNBC. Elon Musk offers two non-Tesla stock picks to play for future of AI. You can guess which ones, Nvidia and Google. I just read this article. Apple is making a big shakeup as it looks for an edge in AI. As I mentioned you, Apple is completely detached from the market today. It's again up. And there is an interesting article, by the way, about Meta. Might we should keep an eye on Meta traders because Meta stock may be ready to 70% despite Zuckerberg's massive AI spending plans. This is just an opinion, but you know, rumors are really good to move a stock. Airbus related. Oh, thank you, Luis. Thanks a lot. Okay, Nvidia is here. Will Bitcoin keep dropping? Well, good question here. Okay, guys, now let's just go back to the stocks because we still have some. For example, WBD is up 2.29%. Not a big move. It can be sometimes a big mover, but actually I'm just going to move it to the secondary list. Bausch and Lomb, Teradin, BLCO is up 4%, but this is not a big mover. Six Flags is here as well. Fun. This is a theme park operator, as you know, 4.3% following a trust upgrade. So FUN, Six Flags, it's up nicely, but not on the volume side, so I do not like it. TER is higher as well. Teradin, Stifel upgraded the stock, but again, low volume. I'm just not going to move it even to the secondary list indeed. Hi, Jeremy. You think they're Canadian counterpart grounded some planes? Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, what we see is definitely it's a good news, and it's moving higher. This is what I know. And thank you that you just get into the news a little bit more detailed. Now, at the moment, it's quite interesting on the BA. Do we still have time? Yeah, 5 minutes. I'm telling it because, as you can see, it's very close to this 200 EMA, quite of a big gap up, first of all. Second, but it's close to the 200, as I've told you, it's 200 dollar level and the 200 EMA, and the 50 EMA is really close to crossing the 200 EMA. So lots of strange things on this daily chart for me on the BA. I'm definitely going to watch it. There is no question, but I'm going to be careful because the daily, it looks like, oh my goodness, it's lots of resistance in front of us, 200 big number, 200 EMA, and even the fact that it's in a downtrend for a while now, but maybe this news can just push it back even higher. Okay, traders, I think the list is ready. I don't have too many short candidates, but the market is getting greener and greener, so might we won't need it. Which is red though, surprisingly, it's MU, MU after like 6 green days in a row on a lower volume. Look at the volume, guys. It matters, I think, a lot. So MU, I'm going to keep an eye on secondary list, that's for sure. And Apple is in red too. Not a big red, so it can be just, one candle after the opening bell, and it can be back on the green side. In my opinion, it's extremely extended until the market pulled back. This just actually did not pull back even for one day. It was okay. It was 2 days red next to each other last time, but right, that's it. So not an extended 3 or 4 red days pullback on the Apple since, actually, I think since April. Let me just check it. No, July. July. Okay. So let's see. It's a bit extended for me, but as I told you, I see rather to stretching it to the 300 than pulling back. We will see it indeed. Hi, Buza. Good evening to you. So we are just ready with the list, but I'm more than happy to get your list as well. I do not have too many to the short side, only these Jenks and SIG and MU. I'm going to watch BA, Maracoin, MSTR, NVDA, Apple, MDB, and Snow to the long side. As I told you, I think Apple is still can be a surprise and a strong one. And maybe this is the day for the Bitcoin stocks to make a reversal. We will see it soon. Guys, 2 minutes left to start. Good luck, everyone. I'm just setting my setups here. I mean, like, I'm definitely going to watch BA here. Yes, Busak, thank you. CRDO, yeah, I knew I forgot something. You see, guys, this is the strength of our fantastic trading community. CRDO, I completely forgot. However, I have a strong feeling that this is going to be a sell the news event, Buzak. I don't know how about you. It looks really nice, good news. But as you can see, it's just started a small pullback already. Let's see what's going to happen. It stretched over 200 in the pre-market, and now since then it's pulling back. So I'm not going to be surprised on the CRDO pullback evening. I mean, sell the news evening, or not evening, even. I'm going to keep an eye on it, and CRDO is on my list as well. Hi, Matt. Good afternoon to you. Good morning, actually. Sorry. MDB, yeah, it's on my list as well. BYND, now BYND, it's on craziness again. What is happening with BYND? Oh yeah, meme stock, it's higher now. We can watch it definitely. MDB wild after market moves. Yeah, MDB anyway can be very much wide on Newsday. So let's just checking. Tara, yes, Oracle, very much indeed. Oracle, I'm going to watch too. Yesterday it was an interesting mover. I don't have enough monitors again. This problem is always, it's here actually. So Oracle, I'm going to watch it for sure. $201 now. And market is still in nice green, 0.40% up on the triple Q. SPY is not that strong, 0.26. But as I told you, SPY is actually closer to the all-time highs and not the triple Q. And Apple, as I mentioned you, it's already down only 0.03%. So I have a strong feeling that Apple is going to make this pullback or gap fill quite fast indeed. All right, traders. So as you can see, I'm watching Mondobo, MSTR Coin, CRDO, Google, definitely SIG to the short side, Nvidia, Tesla, as always, AMD, Amazon, Oracle, and even Meta. I would like to check it here. BA for sure as well. Maybe instead of Amazon, I'm not going to watch Amazon now. So BA, yeah. Good luck, everyone. We just started. Thank you, Tara. So market is starting in a small gap up, which can actually make an extension, especially if triple Q is breaking 620 and 682 with the SPY. But first of all, let's see what is happening in here. Okay, MU, I have it. Unity coin. Ooh, coin took 267 already, but it's pulling back. That's good. That's good. I want to see a gap and go, rather MDB as well. MDB can be spready, watch out. CRD, beautiful pullback. I love to see that. CIG, Oracle. Oracle is strong. BA pulling back a bit. Apple, as I've told you, it's already in green. And I'm wondering, Nvidia, oh yeah, Nvidia is over 182 now. MU, hmm, MU, nice. All right, traders, so I just get out on the coin, finally. Now let's see market. MSTR looks very strong, even over 180 actually. It's very, very early trade. CRDO looks good too. It can be a gap and go, but on CRDO, as I've told you, I'm going to be careful though as well on a sell the news event because it's a bit extended, bit stretched on the daily. Nvidia is not stopping, guys. Even AMD, we can watch them. Whew, Tara, Oracle, it's already over the high. Look at that. All right. Meta all over the place. Tesla strong. Alemu Tesla, it looks really strong. CRDO, not a sell the news event as I see. It's just pushing higher, but very spready. I could not take it, guys. Unfortunately, I'm watching Unity as well. SPY triple Q consolidating as always, nothing new. NVDA very strong. Of course, I guess AMD is going to be the same, like continuation pattern there. But it just broke 222. It was very, very fast. SPY triple Q breaking the highs. Tara here is PLTR, which I see it's very strong as well. But this was just another open range break. So far, everything seems like an open range break. Apple, though, it's suffering a bit. MU just building this gap fill. PLTR amazingly strong, but I see almost everywhere quite of a strong resistance soon. So I'm not jumping in these breakouts now. Yeah, coin looks good, and actually even MSTR looks good in my opinion, Jeremy. But I'm just thinking on both, but only with a small share size. Share size. SIG though, it looks like still quite weak on the SIG. Let me just check. Oh, almost $2 gap. Come on, kidding me? $1 gap. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, Nvidia unstoppable. Apple pulling back, Oracle unstoppable. Oh my God, I hate that. And half of the tech stocks are pushing higher like crazy. Other half is just doesn't know which direction to choose first. All right, traders, keeping an eye on coin MSTR breakout, MDB for a long as well. SIG looks so perfect under 92, but $1, $1.50 spread. It's a bit too much for me, and it's working, of course. How about BA? BA doesn't look bad over 198 either for a gap and go. Market, it's a SPY. It's a bit hesitating. Yeah, I knew SIG you will do it. Shoo. Such a shame it was so spready. It was like a perfect continuation pattern, I must tell you. All right, I'm just thinking which one to take. Now let's see coin and MSTR first. Coin looks really good. I'm going with coin, but MSTR looks good as well. And even Mara. Look at Mara, guys. Mara 1185. Let's go with 268.10 for me. Jeremy, exactly. My call on the coin is the same. 268.10, which is very close. And actually, Mara, it's here. I won't have time to get Mara, but Mara can be over 90 now, like 1190. And coin 268.10, I'm going to get it if it goes back. Stop loss, it's under at least 267, so let's be careful. And MSTR, so actually it doesn't matter which one you will take because 268.20 is going to be now my entry on the coin, and I'm in the Mara over 1180. So I'm going to call it Mara over 1190 for you, okay? If you have not entered yet. Visa short, Mr. Brackage. Checking. Visa. Ooh, that looks good. I love Visa. JP Morgan looks the same, maybe? Let me just check it. So I am in Mara, not in coin yet. Apple pushing higher, AMD bull flagging, Nvidia bull flagging, SPY triple Q non-stoppers, MU broke. Wow, that's crazy, guys. Okay, coin is not in yet. I'm quite lucky with that. SIG is going. Guys, the stocks are getting really crazy here. Like, look at Apple breaking, Nvidia, Oracle very strong now. Tesla looking good as well. I'm going to watch Tesla for a long. Google getting really crazy. I'm still in Mara. Mara stop loss is going to be under 1170 traders, 1170. So like a 20 cents. And the coin, well, let's see. If it goes back, now you see, MSTR would have been better. If coin is getting back still over this 267.50, maybe I'm going to get it, but so far not in yet. Visa short though looks quite interesting. I just missed it. Good luck with that, Mr. Brackage, if you took it. Guys, Nvidia completely unstoppable, Nvidia either. So that means like that this whole market, I missed Tesla, unfortunately, is going to be pushed higher like crazy. Unbelievable. I'm watching Meta as well. 268. Yes, Buzak, 268.10. I'm still going to leave my entry there. I'm just watching MDB here too, whether it can stretch a bit more. Look at Google. Oh my goodness, how crazy is that? MDB, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. All right. In the meantime, BA is not going higher at all. Oracle maybe pulling back. I keep an eye on Meta. Google I missed. Tesla I missed, unfortunately. But I'm going to keep an eye on Meta around 643. And the market checked in 683 and the triple Q just cut 620 like it would not mean anything at all. That's interesting. I'm still keeping Mara traders, so I am still full share size Mara, stop loss under 1170, MU big pullback. Yes, Alamu, this is what I'm watching too because Tesla looks very nice as a continuation pattern, especially because as we were talking about this in the pre-market, if it's able to break this 433.70 especially, then this can be a nice continuation. Traders coin entry I'm still leaving in. I think it can be a quite of a nice mover. The Mara is still okay-ish. What else in here? Meta. No, I missed Meta. Missing a lots of things, but everything is just jumping like crazy. Which one? ABTC we storm? I don't know. ABTC? I don't want, or I don't know. I do not have it on the list, fortunately. That is so interesting that coin is moving down. I'm not in yet. Unfortunately, Mara is back to the 70s level. I'm still quite okay with that, but I do not want to see that breaking 68, 67. SPY stopped a bit. Triple Q extremely strong thanks to Nvidia, Apple, and the rest. AMD breaking the high. Tesla pulled back. How about Amazon, MBLY? We have, by the way, and again, I forgot the economic news. I don't know why, guys. Nowadays, I do forget. Maybe I just got used to this, that the government was shut down. But today, actually, not too much, indeed, on the US news. 10 o'clock, FMC member Bauman speaks. That's it. Nothing else. All right, traders. So unfortunately, Mara is not going to our direction, but I still keep it. A coin, not anymore. We need a better entry there. And the market is on the edge. It's a little bit too much to the upside. MU is amazing. Alamo, I still like Tesla, by the way, and even BA. BA, it's making a quite of a nice pullback. Look at the BA. And look at Google, guys. Google, CRDO, all of them are really strong. Indices are bull flagging. Let me just check here, Mara. Come on, Mara, make the reversal, please. Google, CRDO 213. Wow. That was not a sell the news event. Google looks like as a continuation pattern. Amazon checking. Meta is so much all over the place. I think I'm going to change it for Amazon. Yeah, Amazon looks very good. Jeremy, I like Amazon. 235.10. Yep, I like it. I'm going to get some stop loss under 234.40. Market is pulling back a bit. But I like your Amazon call. I'm going to get in with you. Smaller share size though, because the market's starting to be interesting here again. It's still strong. MDB made the move. It's very slow. Okay, AMD is getting close to 225. I was hoping for a small pullback to join the party, watching BA for an intraday breakout. And I like Jeremy's call Amazon over 235.10, and I'm still keeping my Mara here. Let's see whether it can make a bottom here. And actually on the coin traders, I think if it's able to go over 267.20, I'm going to get a small share size here. So new entry on the coin, 267, let's be 30. BA, looking a bit more interesting now. BA 197, 70, 196, 80, 197, 70. BA is still on my band list, but this 197.70 looks very good for an intraday breakout. Indeed. BMNR. Oh yeah, BMNR. I completely forgot, Jeremy. And yeah, that looks good for a reversal. My risk reward ratio is, for me, it's not that good. I'm still waiting a bit, but looks interesting. Guys, Nvidia and AMD doesn't look like it wants to stop at all. Let's go higher. All right, traders, I'm still keep Mara. Coin, I've called on a lower entry there. I still like Amazon, and the overall market is very strong. Triple Q even did not pull back to the VWAP, only the SPY, but the SPY is making a reversal on the VWAP now. So let's see whether the coin can make a nice reversal here. Apple looks very strong too. PLTR checking. Looks like as a continue, all of the market looks like as a continuation. For that though, we need to break the, I mean the market needs to break, but 174 looks like a very nice continuation, Alex, on the PLTR. All right. Come on, Mara. All right, traders, here comes the coin. So as I've told you, I just get a new entry on the coin. 267.30 I'm going to enter here. Amazon has not entered yet, and the market is tugged a little bit. BNMNR, good luck with that. Jeremy, looks very good. Market is in a small hesitation. MU is slowly getting back to the VWAP. Oracle is under the VWAP. I'm going to watch them for possible reversals if the strong bullish sentiment stays. I did not take BA because it's still on my band list, but if you took this nice intraday breakout over 197.70, go for 200, I would say, if it goes there. Applied material is strong too. PRTR 174. Let's see. Unity. All over the place. Nvidia. Okay. So Mara is still keeping in this consolidation, but coin and MSTR are not printing. Yes, Jeremy, completely. All right, Amazon is in 230 over 235.10, like 11 was my entry. Market is fighting a bit there though. Disney is weak. Disney, Netflix, UPS. Ooh, Disney is in a free fall. Netflix 0.85% lower. UPST, PepsiCo. All right, AMD breaking out, or a PLTR, sorry, 174, as you called. No, coin, double bottom. Let's see. Come on, Mara. Mara coming back. Amazon, all eyes on you. mRNA is strong today. MU. PLTR, nice call, Alex, if you took it. Over this 174, beautiful move. Traders, here comes the coin. I'm going to, yes, I've entered coin. So I am in Mara, I am in coin and Amazon. Coin, I want to see a high of the day for a partial, which is around 268.40. 267, 268.40. It's $1.50. Let's see if we can get there. Mara, beautiful pullback. Market, though, it's not on a decision yet. Amazon, it's so-so. Nvidia, bull flagging. BMNR, beautiful, Jeremy. And PLTR $1 already, Alex. Well done. Okay, Mara is in green. I want to see a 12 breakout, and around 12, 10, 15, 20 would be my partial on the Mara. BMNR unstoppable, hopefully coin and Mara is going to be the same too. SPY under the VWAP. Triple Q slowly pulling back to the VWAP, but nothing serious yet. Google under the VWAP, CRDO still strong. Let me check. It's a little bit like, I don't know, a strange day. Like despite of being a gap up and continued for a gap up, it's too much hesitation in this day. At least I feel like that. It's weird. Oof, Amazon. That's not good. Amazon is going to be out under 234. I took it with a smaller share size, as I mentioned you. So I can be a bit more generous with the stop loss. 268 on coin was our original entry, maybe good at adding point. Buzak, I completely agree with you. Actually, 268.40 I can add. But first we need to push higher first. Okay, JP Morgan is weak today too. All right, bulls, this side. Alex, this PLTR was a very nice $1 scalp. I hope you could take this $1. Okay. Market is slow but still strong. Google is back to the VWAP as well. MU is back to the VWAP. We just need some momentum now. Oh, coin, come on. Okay, Amazon still fighting. That's good. Mara, come on. Okay, coin can be a very nice breakout now. I'm going to add a bit only on the coin over the high. Like not too much, really just 50 shares, something like that. Over this 268. Okay. No, market. Apple still looks like it wants to break out. Coin very strong. Amazon still looks okay. And finally, coin is back to green. Mara still looks good. So everything is good, guys, but this is a day where you need patience, definitely, with the trades. No, come on, market. Triple Q looks like it really wants to break out. Look at Apple. It's very strong. Nice coin. Here it is, the ending point over 268.20 for me. Oh, come on, coin. Apple breaking 285. It needs to break to help the triple Q to break out. If you have any nice setups, guys, let us know. So far, market still is, it's a bit strange for me, like too much hesitation. But the decision is near, so let's see. Nvidia, yep, that looks good for a reversal, Alemu. Yes, Jim, sometimes it's they are trading. Yes, Jim, that's for sure. Very, very clever. Um, Psychologists are working definitely by the biggest investing houses and especially trading houses. Okay, guys. I like 185 for a reversal on the Nvidia Alamu over 185. Oracle is the same. Yep, Jeremy. If we can have a reversal, all of them look like as a great reversals. Unfortunately, though, coin is going against me again. It's still okay because it's over the Viva. This Mara is driving me crazy. Tesla broke the lows. Nvidia is slowly back to the VWAP. Coin I have not added, and the stop loss is just under the low of the day, which is 264.60, something like this. And I love this reversal on the NVDA. Also, SPY breaking the lows. That's quite strange. Apple made a rejection to 85, but I like this NVDA. I really like it, and I'm going to take it with you, NVDA over 285. 285, 185, 185.05. I'm going to take some NVDA for a reversal there. Maybe this is just a small bear trap. Let's see. All right, Amazon still doing great. Coin Mara 2. Spido went back to the lows, but as I told you, triple Q is still not breaking down. ABTC Buzak, yeah, I cannot trade this stock, but good luck with that if you're taking it. Sunrun, Mr. Brackage, okay. Solar stock, let's see, Sunrun. This can be quite of a good mover, by the way. 18 for a long. On run, go long, okay. Let's see. All right, traders, good news. Coin is back. I've added to the coin, and around 270, I'm going to take my first partial. Mara is back as well, and actually even Amazon looks good. Just before 270, I want to take a 3/4 out of the coin, so like $1.50 more. Amazon, it's still just going sideways. But CRM was strong yesterday. Nice, Mara, go, go, go. Mara is going back to our entry. And Amazon, come on. All right, triple Q touched the Viva, but making the reversal. I still like Nvidia over 185 for a very nice reversal. Good luck with the Oracle, Jeremy. It looks really good. Come on, coin. Amazon. Amazon is going to be out 234.40 traders, 234.40. I'm not going to let it run too much against me. On the coin, we need only $1 to take the partial, so watch out. Nvidia still looks marvelous for a reversal, as the whole overall market, I must tell you, they still look good. Right. I'm just checking the news quickly. Maybe we have something. MongoDB, yeah, that was a nice one. Nope, not really. I mean, no news. Come on, coin. I was so patient with you. Just one more dollar we need. For you, it's nothing. Okay. Here comes Mara. I really hope we will see this 12 breakout soon. Coin daily has to go. Yeah, exactly, Buzak. That's fine. That's fine. I'm still patient with the trade. However, I don't like the fact it cannot break 268 for good. Like, it's over it, but it cannot continue. It's quite annoying. PRTR still looks very strong. All right, traders, finally coin, a little bit more to go, and I'm taking 3/4 off. As I told you, I took a, I mean, I just made a adding on this one. I'm ready to click the button soon. SPY nice reversal, by the way. PRTR looking like a continuation, Alex, if you are still in. Very nice. Mara is into the green as well. Traders 11, 15, 20 is going to be my partial there. But unfortunately, Amazon is not doing the right job there. Let's see. Oh, today it's slow. Despite of a very nice gap up, it's still slow. Okay, guys, watch out. Be ready to take the partial on the coin, as I mentioned you. It's on 269, 50s, 60 now. Very good. I'm just ready to click the button here for the sell order, and maybe I'm going to take it. This market is, but the SPY is very strong. No, it still looks good. Bit spready now before this 270 level. Look at that. We're still okay. Mara finally over 12. And here we go. I'm just taking my 3/4 of the coin around this 70 level, as I mentioned you, and put my stop loss just under the entry. So I took my partial to 69.60s, and my stop loss is just on the entry now, slightly under the entry. Okay. SPY nice reversal. Triple Q made the reversal from the VWAP. Now we just need a new high. Unfortunately, under 234.40 though, I'm going to be out on the Amazon traders under 234.40. PAT are beautiful, still very strong. Come on, Mara. Mara still needs to go like at least a 15 cents. NBIS. Checking NBIS. Okay. Sorry, guys. All right, Nvidia is in, and NBIS I'm checking. Ooh, MBIS can be a very nice mover. I agree with you, but for me, it's only 102 30 40, something like that. Okay, guys. Wow, what a pullback. So traders, 20 more cents to go with Mara. Amazon, just in the last minute. I guess there is the speech going on. Look at that. What a crazy move. And here goes our NVDA as well. On the NVDA, I would like to take a partial around 186 and then let it go. Amazon is still far away from the partial. Mara still 15 cents to go. BMNR, yeah, BMNR looks good. Coin finally broke the 270. We need to see like a very nice big break there. Oh, come on, NVDA. Triple Q breaking the highs, SPY breaking the highs. I guess one more FOMC member speaker who is backing up the rate cut. That's why everything is pushing higher. I don't know. I have not read the news, but this is just my guessing. And NBIS still looks very good, Buzak. And BMNR too, Nitsan. All right, traders, on the coin, I'm not going to do anything else, just move my stop loss. And I'm going to move it under 269. On Amazon, we need to see at least like a 60 cents, like 235, 70 would be a very nice partialing point. On NVDA, I want to see a dollar, like 186 indeed. And Mara is getting there slowly, but very nicely. Took 90% partials, now just found my nice. I know, it's just this market, it was, as I've told you, it seemed like it's waiting for something, and maybe this was Bauman. It's Bauman, right? Let me just check it. We're speaking today. 10 o'clock. Yes, Bauman speaks. Mhm. Ooh, Mara, finally traders. Here is Mara. I am ready to take the partial on the Mara. 3/4 going to be out soon. Beautiful trade. My goodness, that's great. And the SPY triple Q, it is actually bull flagging. Fantastic. Okay, traders, 12.16, 12.17. SPY triple Q still looks very strong. 17, 18, very good. I'm just taking 3/4 out on the Mara and put my stop loss under 11.87. Took it on 17. First partial in for the Mara. Okay. Nvidia is not the real deal. Amazon trying, that's good. And on the coin, as I added, I'm just taking, I wanted to take it on over 271, so I'm still waiting for that. Nvidia though, traders, if it's breaking down 184, 40, 30, I'm going to be out. But this market looks like it's just poised to go higher and higher. On Mara, well, on the Mara, if I'm just checking here I took my partial, as you can see, but if I'm checking the daily chart, it still can go to 13, Nitsan. It still can go really close to 13, actually. All right, traders, I'm waiting for Amazon around 236 to take the partial. Not fully because we need just 60 cents there. Nvidia, not the best. And Amazon is still up and down. However, on Amazon, I'm definitely not going to let it go back. Okay. Apple looks like as a possible intraday breakout too. Well, the stop loss, it was under 1170, 20 cents. So that's why. I've entered 1189, so that's why I wanted to take the partial between like 1210 and 1220. So a little bit more than 1 hour. Okay, traders, in the meantime, I put my stop loss under 269 on the coin. Mara stop loss just slightly under the entry. And Amazon, I'm not going to let it go against me too much. I'm going to be out if this consolidation is going to break through to the downside. Market reached the SPY 683 and it's making a consolidation here. You're welcome, Nitsan. Okay, traders. So coin is still looking great. If we make it back close to the high of the day, I'm going to take one more little partial and then let it run. And I do not like Nvidia though. Just could not make this reversal nicely. Amazon still okay. Overall market in a consolidation. And I'm just checking the news again because I feel like it's something Bauman told something which moved the stocks, but I'm not sure. Cannot see any big news here. Big stock jumped 7%. All right, coin is getting back again. That's a good one, good sign. SPY triple Q definitely bull flagging, guys. Amazing. Bitcoin 90K, Nitsan. Yeah, I seen. That's why I'm waiting for the second partial soon on the coin. But Nvidia, I do not want to see that break the VWAP, so I'm going to be out there. Oh, in the meantime, Tesla sneaking higher. Look at that. Alamo, I hope you are in. All right, traders. So Nvidia, I'm still patient with the Nvidia trade. Coin is, as I've told you, I think I'm taking a second partial here and then let's see, because 90K can be a quite of a stronger resistance for the overall Bitcoin as well. 271.50 is the high of the day on the coin. I'm still waiting a bit. Come on, Nvidia, come on, Amazon. SPY looks like as a bull flag. Triple Q looks like as a bull flag. Yep, I just took a little bit more partial on the coin traders. Nvidia doesn't look that good. And Amazon, as I mentioned you, it just made a very nice consolidation here. I'm not going to do anything else, just put my stop loss under this consolidation. I don't even care if it is going to be out before the VWAP, because this doesn't should break through this consolidation zone now. Yeah, Nitsan, I really hope Alemu it is. He's in because he knows this stock very well. I was watching it actually as well around this 432, but that was a sneaky one, that's for sure. All right, traders, on Nvidia, unfortunately, seems like it's going to be a loser. If it's breaking, actually, it can break 184 because I have a dollar stop loss there. But if it's breaking 184, I definitely should be out. Okay, traders, I am out of Amazon. As I've told you, I don't care if it's breaking, it's through. And unfortunately, I still leave a bit more for Nvidia. And if it's breaking this candle again, I'm out. Spice back to the VWAP again. Phew, Tesla, you are strong today. Nvidia, last chance. Very much last chance. Amara still okay. Coin is still definitely okay. And Nvidia, I really hope we will get back. ANF checking. MSTR looks strong too, traders. Ooh, ANF volume, Nitsan, it's very low. Ah, beautiful, Alamu. I knew you are in Tesla. You see, guys? I knew he is in. Very happy for you. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to be out of NVDA too soon. Guys, the Mara coin still looks marvelous. I still give the last chances to the NVDA. I'm out of this Amazon. I just got a very small loser there, but I did not care. It was just too much going here and there. Market is still very strong. How about AMD and AVGO? I wanted to check AMD. Back. AVGO as well. That's interesting. This is what I see on the chip stocks. All of them are showing a bit weakness now, which doesn't mean anything. They can just make the reversal in no time. Okay. No, Amazon. I knew you are going to do it. MSTR, yes, Nitsan. I feel like MSTR still actually compared to Mara and Coin, it still has not done anything. So, I don't know how much 15 minutes I have. I just will have a mentoring, guys. That's why I'm just watching the clock. But I would really take this MSTR with you over the high Nitsan, I must tell you. Looks very, very tempting indeed. No, if you are in Amazon, you can take the partial. You see, it just tricked me. It's okay. MSTR looks good. MSTR looks good. Entry over 183.60. Okay, small share size because I do not want to risk my nice profit today, but it looks very tempting over this 183.60. Yep, 183.60. I'm going to take a little one too, like a small one. Ah, Amazon, I hate you. MSTR. Okay, small share size 183.70 is going to be my entry because it's a quite of a spready stock. Or Mara and Coin are fantastic traders. Both of them, I'm not going to do anything else, just move my stop loss a bit higher, like 269.40 on the Coin. And Mara is going to be just under this last consolidation low, which is 12.05, and it's still going nicely, just like the market. Come on, Nvidia, all eyes on you. And my next one and last one is going to be MSTR over 183.60. Coin is pushing over 272. Fantastic. Come on, Nvidia, go, go, go. However, it's looking like a bear flag, which is not the best. Actually, MU is looking like a bear flag too. Nice Mara, nice coin. MSTR, it's making a very nice consolidation here before the breakout, hopefully. Oracle trying again. I'm afraid Nvidia is going to be a loser, guys. Still a very nice green day, but I want to see rather a nice reversal on the Nvidia. 272, 1230, fantastic. I think on the Mara, my next partial is going to be 1240, and then I just let it run. I'm in MSTR. On MSTR, the stop loss should be under 180.70, like $2 we need to see at least. Rather 3. Actually, the consolidation low, it's 182. Now let's see how it's moving. Between 185 186 would be a nice partial, rather 186 indeed. Okay. Oh, come on, MSTR. Ooh, Mara, beautiful. All right, traders, I am ready to take a second partial on the Mara. Mara second partial. Nice. Well done, Mara. And NVDA, unfortunately, if it's breaking 183.60, I'm completely out. Market still looks strong. MU though broke down. Apple is breaking higher, NVIDIA is stagnating. Such a funny market indeed. So second partial I just made on Mara. Stop loss can stay under this, maybe 1220 actually. Coin staying as it is, and MSTR, we really need to see this breakout. So come on, MSTR. This is my last trade. MSTR, not the right direction. And the SPY is getting a bit weaker again. All right, traders. Nvidia is hanging on a thread, and MSTR is still okay, I would say. However, on MSTR, I do not want to see a 182 break. Tesla moving back towards to the VWAP if anyone is interested, by the way. Okay, watch out on coin, stop loss under 269.50, 40. And Mara is going to be out under 12.20. Oh no, NVDA, come on. Very much on the edge. SPY double top so far. NVDA very much hanging on a thread. MSTR still okay. No problem in MSTR. Coin, watch out. I think I'm going to be out coin soon, traders. 269.40. It's my stop loss. Phew, NVDA. It's just dancing on the stop loss level. 269.40. I'm going to be out on coin, guys. Coin 269.40. SPY triple Q small pullback, but the bulls are still around. Oof, out. Coin is out, but MSTR and NVDA not yet. Very close on NVDA, MSTR not yet. Tesla on the VWAP, just telling you. No, come on, something, move. Give up or go higher. Market. Yeah, we're just doing a reversal again, as I see. I was hoping for MSTR to be a little bit like, much more enthusiastic after a breakout, but it's just so slow. Yeah, today, guys, patience paying off for sure. Patience pays today. Nvidia, I don't know how many times it just made this reversal between the 60 and 70. Hopefully this is the last and strong reversal finally. MSTR though, I don't know, it's just moving around but not doing anything at all. Okay, Apple finally really breaking 285. Now let's see. Come on, MSTR, do this break. SPY back to the highs, traders. With 1, 2, 3 candles, it's just back to the highs. Very strong market today. Mara, very close to my stop loss too with the last shares after 2 partials out. I'm out of Mara, traders. Nvidia is still here, but MSTR as well. However, again, I just do not want to see this 182 break. The final stop loss is 180, under 180.90 because this is the VWAP. Nitsa, your call on BMNR, that was nice over the high. It's still stretching as I see. And the market is getting back close to the highs as well. CRDO, I see CRDO, but it's just slowed down for me, Buzak. Just slowed down a bit for me. Let's see whether it can get a little bit more push higher. All right, guys, bulls are back on track with the markets. I really hope we see a push on MSTR, both on MSTR and NVDA. Yeah, Tara, it's just so annoying. It's completely stuck. Spice trying to make a new daily high again. Oh, come on, MSTR. Guys, I have to go. I need to start a mentoring in 5 minutes. What should I do? What should I do? Now let's see how my day looking. Oh, very nice buffer I have. Okay, listen, I'm just going to leave. I'm just going to leave the stop losses on place. I still have a very nice green day, even if they go for the stop loss. I give the chance for both of the stocks here, both NVDA and MSTR, and let's see. But I feel like it's going to be a slower, slower pace of trading again. Looks like MSTR doesn't want to do the trick. Nitsan, I don't know yet. I'm still going to be patient with both of the trades, as I've told you. I leave the stop losses on place. NVDA. On the NVDA, as I've told you, I want to see at least a 186, 186, 20, 30 would be the best. On MSTR though, if it's breaking out, it's definitely a one now, as I just see on the daily chart as well. Well, 187, 70, 80, which is the high of this consolidation, would be great to take the first partial. But first, we need to break higher, and now it doesn't look good. Oh no, it's breaking this 182. I'm still, as I've told you, I'm going to leave the stop loss just under the VWAP and be patient with the trade, both NVIDIA and MSTR, because so far the market looks still very strong. So stop loss NVIDIA 60, MSTR 180, 80, and then let's see which one is going to make the job. SPY though got a third rejection on the high. That's not a good news for the bulls. That's not a good news for the bulls. But if I'm just checking Apple, it's very strong. Nvidia is still not that bad. So let's see. Omid, which one? Touch the pullback of the previous week's candle. I see. Okay. I stick to the plan and let's see what's coming next. I'm just going to be out soon. Yeah, Nvidia is just on the brink. If it's breaking 60, I'm out, traders. I'm out. So I got out on Nvidia, MSTR. I'm still a little bit more patient with that stock. Market started to pull back, but we have seen some pullbacks during this day, and the bulls always showed up. So I'm just going to keep it in mind. So one very small loser on Amazon, another it's okay loser on the Nvidia, but more winners I had. Let's see though, if MSTR is going to be a loser, I still have a green day, but definitely not that beautiful green as I was expecting. And now it's just pushing down. Okay, guys, I'm out. I don't get this market. This is crazy. I think this is just a shakeout, but if we break the lows, it can be much more serious. I think from now, SPY is going to 675 to close the gap. Yeah, it can be in its hand, but we have seen so many crazy moves in the recent days and weeks, actually months to be precise, that I'm not going to be surprised on a big reversal and going for a new high either. I know, I see that, I see that. However, if I'm just taking a look, I'm still holding only MSTR traders. I'm still okay with that. If you check the volume, there is no volume. Where is the volume? Cannot see the volume. You see, it's just, where is the volume? So that's why I'm telling you that maybe this is just a shakeout. Oh, come on, MSTR. It's on the VWAP, fighting with the VWAP. I'm definitely going to wait, like by NVIDIA, what it's going to do with the VWAP first. I'm still patient with. Oh, okay, guys. Sorry, I have to run. Sorry for that. Be careful. Market is in a crazy mode again. And yeah, maybe we will go back to gap fill and maybe even lower. I'm still just holding my MSTR because it's a little bit attached or detached from the market. Okay. Yeah, I'm running. Actually, I'm not going anywhere else. I just go to the mentoring now. So guys, be careful with this market, as I've told you. Very nice trading with you. Market is completely crazy. Watch out. Have a beautiful green day at the end. Thank you very much to trade with me today. If you like the stream, please just give a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Stay safe.